Hello, Adioba. Adioba, who are fine?
I found Francis Igbo.
Okay, Francis Igbo. That name is familiar.
Very familiar.
Igbo family. Can we know one or two from that family? One or two prominent person from that Igbo family?
We have the late Rema's father, Justice Igbo.
You mean Rema the musician?
Yeah, the musician, yes.
Is Rema Benin man?
No. From Igbanke.
From Igbanke?
Yes.
Is Igbanke Benin?
At all. Igbanke is something.
So why are we here, sir? Tell us.
We are gathered here rejoicing because we need separation. We need freedom from this Benin. Especially like I said before, each time we go for rally, political rallies, you hear the Benin speaking Beninese. They don't care if Igbanke is there, if we Igbanke are there. You start with Benin and speaking Benin. So it's like we are marginalized. It's like we are dumped somewhere. So they don't care about us. So when this issue came, so I thank God for the initiative. And when this came, we are happy to see how we can go away from Benin and be free in joining our brothers. As far as this normal state is on the ground.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.